Hello, this is Liquidation Liquidation. I'm Sungsu. Today I'm gonna introduce about our electronic pallets. So, are you selling in outlet? Are you selling in bin store, e-commerce, auction company, Walnut? This is electronic pallets, Remex Liquidation's only exclusive habit. So let's see the pallets. So look, this kind of brand, Nespresso and all kitchen stuff. So mostly it's about electronic things. I mean, 100% is electronic. Even the toy is electronic toys. It's like pillow, and there's toys with electronic. Also blender, drones, kitchen stoves, toaster, like mixer, blender. Also KitchenAid, there's a big brand such as like this. But not only that, we also have a like hair dryer, beauty items, but salon. No, it's for the girls. Hair irons. Good. Just vacuums. Baby things. Was there something? Buhang. And also there's a small electronic things, coffee machine, Nespresso. Oh, and also this is coffee machine too. And then this is a hoverboard for good for like good for kids and children. Also for kids. So this is one of the low that we have it. It's one of the full container. So we are good at exporting. So we can ship to Africa, South America, Central America, or Asia. Everywhere we can selling and we ship it out as a 40-foot container. So it's like this. Also there's a fans, heaters, kitchen stuff. But the amazing things, this everything is a manifested. So it's not a random product. So you can check the manifest down below. And also if you are interested to look at my merchandise, please contact us to our sales team, and then we're gonna follow up you. And then after you see all the manifest, we can see how many pallets, how many units, how much we are going to selling to you guys from our Texas, from our California, or from my warehouse in the United States. So we're gonna help you out. So please keep in touch. We are here to help you. Remex Liquidations.